Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to install Visual Studio Code or VS Code for which is the best place to code your websites or to code some stuff, whichever one. So I had Visual Studio Code. So this is a tutorial in which uh, you can from this is for Mac users and for Windows users also. So uh, as you can see, I don't have Visual Studio Code. So we have another one also which is called Sublime Text or Bracket. The Sublime Text is normally used for these Python projects. So we have something called Bracket. So Bracket is little less advanced. So we're gonna be using we're gonna be basically using these Visual Studio Code. So let's get started on the downloading process. So we can just type Visual Studio Code. Oh yes, click here. Download Mac, or you can choose whichever one you want to do. Just click on the stable one. Go here and download. So once you can just give it 1 minute, and once it is here, you can just save it on the desktop. I'll just save it in my coding files, coding over here. But I prefer saving on my desktop, so I'll just save it on the desktop and I'll just click on save. So yeah, now that it is done, you can just minus this. Give me a second, I'll just move all of this. So please like, share, and subscribe to all. Like, share, and subscribe, and comment to all my videos. I will also be opening the comment section soon once the video is over. So okay, back to our video. So now that the zip one is all there in our folder, so you can just for Windows user you have to go to the to I think you have to go to the file explorer and get the Visual Studio Code download process. You have to click on extract because it will download the zip file on Mac. You do not need to do anything. Just click on open and it will automatically get you the downloaded folder. So just give it 1 minute. So this will take like I think a GB of your space or something, but it's amazingly helpful. So so we can just go over here, type Visual. Okay, so now right now it is not coming as you can see. So we'll just click on open. It is opening. Now it just wait for it to verify it. Gonna verify. It will show this for the Mac users, and I'm not sure about the Windows, but I'll also tell my collaborator Avish to also get the video done for a Windows because I have a Mac and he has a Windows, so I feel that's the perfect combo. So we can just get this on. So you can click on open. So open and yeah, you can just drag this over here, right here, or you can just put it here as I had it previously. I already had this stuff on my thing, so you can just open you can just open a new window. Just cross this window and open this one. Or just minus the side. So then you can just open a new file and do your codes and stuff. We'll just cross this for now. Just quit this, and you can go over here. Type visual. So it won't show over here, but then you will definitely have Visual Studio Code right here. What you can do is you can just click on show in the finder and it is going to be right on your desktop over here as you can see right here. So this is how you can download Visual Studio Code for Mac and Windows for Mac users. Thank you for watching the video and we'll be back soon with another video. So thank you for watching.